The question is, consider set of 5 objects A, B, C, D and E and calculate the medoid of the given data set. So, what is a medoid? A medoid can be defined as that object of a cluster whose average dissimilarity to all the objects in the cluster is minimal. So, K-medoids is more robust to noise than K-means algorithm. That is why it is preferred due to this advantage. And the formula used is E, that is sum of absolute error of all objects in the data set, should be minimum, and this is given by summation of P minus OI, where OI is representative object of cluster Ci and P is the data point of objects. So now we are going to solve this example and see how this formula really works. Yes. So let K equal to 2. So we have to form two clusters, and A0 that is 0, 0 and C that is minus 3, 3 are assumed to be the first two medoids. So we just assume any 2 points to be medoids and then calculate the absolute error value. So here it is the I, the node, the x coordinate and the y coordinate. So the distance from A0, 0 is calculated. This is the Manhattan distance formula, and here we have 6 minus 0 plus 6 minus 0 is equal to 6 plus 6 equal to 12. So here we calculate the values for BDE and similarly for C with BDE, and we take the minimum value. So for B the minimum value is this one, for D the minimum value is this one, and for E the minimum value is this one. So E belongs to the cluster with C and B and D belongs in the cluster with A. So selecting the minimum cost from each of these, we get cluster 1 as 6, 6, 3, 3 and 0, 0, that is B, D and A, and cluster 2 is minus 6, 6 and minus 3, 3, that is E and C. So now moving on. Total cost. So the total cost is given by cost of every element with its medoid. Like the error form, like this error formula we have seen here, we calculate this as the total cost. So we have to minimize the total cost here. So the cost is the distance between 0, 0 and 6, 6, 0, 0 and 3, 3 and minus 3, 3 and minus 6, 6. So as this is the medoid and this elements belong to this set, and this is the medoid and this element also belongs to this set, and similarly for this case where this is the medoid and this belongs to this case, we write the cost values as we have previously calculated. So it becomes 12 plus 6 plus 6, that is 24. So this can be taken as our cost 1 for the first set of medoids we have taken. Now moving on to the second set. So we take E minus 6, 6 as our second medoid with A 0, 0 being our first medoid. So we do the same. Now we calculate the table for A and the distance with B, C and D, and similarly of E with distances from B, C and D. So we use the Manhattan distance formula again, and we calculate the minimum cost. So minimum cost for B is 12, minimum cost for C is 6, so we take the first value, and minimum cost for D is 6. Wait a second. Minimum cost for D is 6. So Here also the value for C is 6. So we can consider either of them. And now we have cluster 1 as 6, 6, that is B, 3, 3, that is D and A, and 6, 6 and 3 minus 3, 3, that is E and C. As C was already in this cluster, we keep it here itself. Now the total cost for this turns out to be, we do the same things for each of medoids. This is the medoid element, medoid element, medoid, medoid element. This is the medoid and this is the element. So cost becomes 12 plus 6 plus 6, that is 24. So as cost for swapping C minus 1 comma minus 3 minus 3 comma minus 3 and E minus 6 comma minus 6 has no advantage, as the cost calculated in this step and the previous step, previous medoid, is the same. Both of them are equal. So I am sure you have gotten the hang of how we are doing this. Now moving on to the next set of medoids. Now we choose D 3, 3 and C minus 3, 3 as our medoids. So I have now made a smaller table for A, B and E and distance from C and D. So we again apply the Manhattan distance formula, and now we calculate the smallest cost. So A, both is small, for B 6 is smaller and for E 6 is smaller. So now B and D are in one cluster and E and C and A are in one cluster. So now let's calculate the total cost. So this is the medoid, this is the element, this is the medoid, this is the element, this is the medoid, this is the element. So 6 plus 6 plus 6, that is 18. As we can see, the cost 18 is less than 24. So shifting medoid from A to D was favorable, and C remaining minus 3, 3 as it is. So moving medoid from this A 0, 0 to D 3, 3 was profitable. Now let's try one more pair. So choosing B 6, 6 and C minus 3, minus 3 as our medoids. We calculate the same for A, D, E, the distance from B and the distance from C, and we pick the smaller value. Here A is nearer to C, B is nearer to B and E is nearer to C. So the cluster 1 is 6, 6 and 3, 3, that is B and D, and the cluster 2 is E, C and A. We calculate the cost in the same way for all the points from their medoids, and we get the answer 6 plus 6 plus 6, that is 18. So cost 18 plus cost 18 is the same. So the two clusters which can be formed is cluster 1, that is 6, 6 and 3, 3, and cluster 2, that is minus 6, minus 6, minus 3, minus 3 and 0, 0. With the possible medoids for this cluster being minus 3, minus 3, and for this cluster both of the values, that is 6, 6 and 3, 3, both of these are good enough. So this finishes our questions on K medoids. Here we have taken K as 2. Hope you understood this question, and if you have any doubts, please leave